Hello, it's the AI-tist here. In this video I will show you how to start creating images using OpenAI's DALL-E 2. First search up DALL-E in your browser. Click the link. Here at the top right you can choose to log in or sign up. We will click sign up. Enter your email and create a password, or login using Google or Microsoft. After logging in, you will be directed to this page. Here you can see some AI-generated images, and at the top there is an input box where you can type your text prompt. Now we will write our prompt. A futuristic robot staring into the sunset, pixel art. It will now generate. You will get 4 images per generation. After you have generated some images, your history is visible on the right. You can download the image by clicking this button. Now we will look at DALL-E's Outpainting feature. Click Upload an image and select your chosen image. Resize as preferred. Move the generation frame where you want to paint. Write your prompt and click Generate. Choose the best of the 4 options and click Accept. Improve your prompt as necessary. You can also use the eraser tool to erase unwanted parts. Once you are satisfied with your result, you can click this button to download your image. That's it for today on the AI-tist. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and stay tuned for future endeavors.